welcome back to Biology Lectures. Today we will learn about cell organelles, which are the tiny parts inside a cell that help it to function properly. What are cell organelles? Cell organelles are small structures inside the cell. Each organelle has a special job. Just like a city has different departments, a cell also has different organelles working together. First, nucleus, the control center. The nucleus is the most important part of the cell. It controls all activities of the cell. It contains DNA, which carries genetic information. You can think of nucleus as the brain of the cell. Second, mitochondria, the powerhouse. Mitochondria produce energy for the cell. They convert food into energy called ATP. That is why mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell. Third, endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network inside the cell. It helps in making and transporting materials. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosomes, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which has no ribosomes. Fourth, ribosomes, protein makers. Ribosomes make proteins. Proteins are important for growth and repair. Ribosomes are like factories of the cell. 5. Golgi Body, packaging center. The Golgi body receives proteins and packages them. Then it sends them to different parts of the cell. It works like a delivery system. Sixth, lysosomes, cleaners. Lysosomes remove waste and unwanted materials. They keep the cell clean and healthy. They are also called cleaning crew of the cell. Seventh, vacuole, storage unit. Vacuoles store water, food, and waste. Plant cells have large vacuoles while animal cells have small ones. So, today we learned that cell has many organelles. Each organelle has a special function. All organelles work together to keep the cell alive. That's all for today's lecture. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Knowledge grows when you share it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you want to learn biology step by step in a simple and clear way, make sure to follow this playlist on Chugi Podcast. See you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.